Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you what the Amazon shopping app is and how to use it to shop millions of products right from your phone. Let's get started. The Amazon shopping app is the mobile version of the popular online store. It lets you browse and buy everything from electronics, clothes, groceries, books, and much more. You can read reviews, compare prices, track your orders, and get personalized recommendations. It is free to download and is available on iOS and Android devices. Now let's get to how to use it. To do that, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then search Amazon Shopping on the search bar. After this icon pops up, tap on that and then you'll have the install icon right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened up, sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. If you don't have it yet, then just follow the simple prompts to register with your email or phone number. Next, make sure your shipping address is set up. You can do this by going to the menu, tapping your account, then your addresses and adding your preferred delivery addresses. This helps the app show you products available in your area and accurate delivery times. To browse or search for products, use the search bar at the top of the page. Right from here, to search for products, whether it's headphones, clothes or books, you can browse through anything. Then you can also filter results by price, ratings or special deals to find exactly what you want. When you tap on a product, you'll see photos, descriptions, price and options like size or color. Don't forget to read customer reviews and the QA section. These can help you decide if the product is right for you or not. Then if you want to keep shopping, tap add to cart, and if you're ready to buy, tap buy now to proceed directly to checkout. To review your products, tap on your cart. Cart icon is at the bottom of the page. Tap on that to see your products, or you can also remove items from here. When you're ready, tap proceed to checkout. Then choose your payment method, credit or debit card, Amazon Pay balance or others. Also double check your shipping address and choose the delivery speed if there are options available like standard or expedited. Finally, review everything once more and tap place your order. Then you'll get a confirmation email right away. Now to see your order status and track shipping, just go to your orders from the menu. This keeps you updated on when your package will arrive. And that is all about Amazon shipping app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.